Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, July 17th, 2025. Let's take a look at the XRP quoted to USDC on Zondacrypto. As you can see, there is something very big cooking here. Daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. Let's dig in what's going on. First, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out and see from the bigger perspective what is going on here. Well, after a few months of the consolidation, let me just take a look at the some kind of a date price measurements. Let's say we will take this high, let's say we will take this low. That's already 127 days, and from here is 203 days. So easily half of the year consolidation, and then took off very nice, took off to the upside. Let me just take a look then. How much are we from the lows made on the June 22nd, 2025? So it's not even a month. In 1 month we've made 71%, over 71%. So it's obvious that the next target for this market is located here at the highs of the 3.44, which is the first level of the resistance, and then the level of 3.48, the other level of the resistance. So that's the target. I will mark it with my arrow. This is the target for the bulls. Obviously, this is the supply zone, very thick supply zone. Nevertheless, it is possible for this market to break above this this supply zone. Where is the support then? If we have the supply zone, where is the support? Well, obviously we can manage to mark this level 2.64 as the technical support. Obviously, anything else here? Yes, I could say that this one here, post-Trump rally, 2.97 is another technical support, and I think those two levels will be responsible for most of the support that will be eventually provided for the bulls. So now the last level is of course the range low from the this is the beginning of the April 2025, 1.63. So we know that there is a very nice movement to the upside towards the supply zone. What is RSI telling us regarding to the momentum? Now, this level of the momentum right now, 82.50, let's say, has not been seen since half of the year. This is December 2024. It's over almost 7.5 months, right? 7.5 months since this high was made here. This high was made at 3.48, and the momentum high was roughly around 90. All right, so there is still some room to the upside to hit this momentum. Nevertheless, on a daily time frame chart, XRP market is extremely overbought, right? So what happens after the market is extremely overbought? It comes down towards the level of 50. Then maybe it will break the level of 50. We don't know that. Nevertheless, just because we are approaching the supply zone doesn't mean we are going to break it in one day and go straight to the heaven, to the moon. You know what I mean. So please keep an eye on the supply zone. As we hit the supply zone, we extremely overbought market conditions, extremely positive sentiment on the market. So we might see increased activity of the bears, right, of the supply side. They might be pushing the market lower. Some bulls might be taking profit out of the table. So right now it's very crucial to have these levels on the chart, historical levels of the previous swing highs. Now both of them constitute a supply zone. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.